Imagine a world where your doctor 3D prints a brand new organ for you, or where scientists use bacteria to clean up pollution like little microscopic vacuum cleaners. Sounds crazy? Well, biotech is making it happen. Today, we're diving into the latest jaw-dropping breakthroughs in biotechnology that sound straight out of a sci-fi movie. Let's go. Fact 1. 3D printed organs are coming. All right, let's talk about 3D printed organs. Scientists are getting really close to printing fully functional human organs. Right now, they're working on printing hearts, kidneys, and even skin using special bio-ink made of real human cells. Why is this such a big deal? Because it could end the need for organ donors and save millions of lives. Imagine getting a brand new liver printed just for you. No waiting list, no rejection risk. Wild, right? Fact 2. Superhuman genes are real. Some people are born with genes that make them superhuman. No, seriously. Scientists have discovered rare mutations that make certain people almost immune to pain, give them super strong bones, or even let them hold their breath underwater for crazy long times. And guess what? Gene editing tools like CRISPR are helping scientists figure out how to give these abilities to others. We're not saying X-Men are real, but we're not saying it either. Fact 3. Bacteria can clean up oil spills. What if I told you bacteria could save the planet? Scientists have found special bacteria that literally eat oil spills. These microscopic superheroes munch on toxic waste and break it down into harmless substances. And it's not just oil. Researchers are engineering bacteria to clean up plastic pollution and even absorb harmful carbon dioxide from the air. Mother Nature just got a high-tech upgrade. Fact 4. Lab-grown meat is changing the food industry. Burgers, but make them science. Lab-grown meat is taking over, and no, it's not fake meat. It's real meat, just grown in a lab instead of coming from animals. Scientists take a tiny sample of animal cells and grow them into full-blown steaks and burgers. The best part? No animal suffering, no massive environmental damage, and the same delicious taste. Even big food companies are investing in it, so don't be surprised if your next burger comes from a lab. Fact 5. Imagine a medicine made just for you, custom-built to match your DNA perfectly. That's where biotech and AI are teaming up. Scientists are using artificial intelligence to analyze genetic data and design personalized treatments. This could mean fewer side effects, faster recoveries, and even cures for diseases we once thought were incurable. It's like having a doctor that knows your body better than you do. Bonus fact: glow-in-the-dark animals. Okay, this one is just straight up cool. Scientists have figured out how to make animals glow in the dark. By inserting special jellyfish genes into other animals, researchers have created glowing cats, dogs, fish, and even sheep. It's not just for fun. This tech helps scientists track diseases, study genetics, and even create glow-in-the-dark plants to replace streetlights. Biotech is literally lighting up the future. And that's just the tip of the iceberg. Biotechnology is changing the world in ways we never imagined, and we're just getting started. Which fact blew your mind the most? Let us know in the comments. And hey, if you love learning cool science facts, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Quantum Ninja for more. See you in the next video.